Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the Digital Dinar token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the Digital Dinar, barter in the digital economy, transforms traditional localized direct exchange by leveraging digital platforms, AI-driven smart contracts, and decentralized finance to overcome the ancient hurdles of coincidence of bonds. The digital dinar token total supply is 20.99 million and circulating supply is also 20.99 million dinar token. Dinar token is listed on Radium and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.